This 2018 Newmar Ventana 4046 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Muslin, Bermuda Glazed Maple Cabinets interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, Colorado detector, TV, LP detector, self-contained, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, TV antenna, stove top burner, water heater, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features front dinette, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2018 Newmar Ventana 4046 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins 8.9L 400 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.